In this video, I will show you how to fix Xianyu login on web that is always display or pop up just like what you see on the screen right here. How can you fix this problem and navigate Xianyu or gofish.com or idlefish Chinese shopping website without any login restriction? Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So like I said, how can we fix this particular problem of login blocking page on Xianyu or GoFish on the web? Let's get started. So let's get started. I'm going to close this browser right here and we'll start all over. Okay, so I'm going to make use of Chrome browser. Whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, provided that you have Chrome browser, make sure you use your Chrome browser. Open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, you see it take us to this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab, just like so. Now, we want to go ahead and visit www.gofish.com. Click on here. That is the official website of Xianyu. GoFish. Fish.com. And that is the official website URL of Xianyu. Then go ahead and hit on continue. And you can see the web page is loading. Just like so, you see, it does not even allow the web page to load completely before it blocks again. Now, how can you fix this problem to have full access to this website on the web? It's a very simple thing. What we want to do here is to make sure we convert our web browser from mobile fashion to desktop fashion. For everyone that is using Chrome browser, click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and you want to make sure you scroll down right here. And then go ahead and click on here to switch to desktop site. Now, once you switch to desktop site, you can see what happened right here. So what we want to do next is that we can refresh. You can see the login page still refuses to exist. Okay. Next thing you need to do right here is to close this tab. I'm going to click on here now, close the first tab and close the second tab. And I will go ahead and click on this plus sign again to create a new tab. So this time around, I'll click on here again and type in gofish.com, then hit enter. Now you can see it started to load again. Now, the same login page or QR code is still pump up right here. What we want to do this time around is to click on here to close this pump up. Boom, and you have full access to GoFish website. So here you can browse and search for any product without any restriction of blockage or login page, just like what you see right here. Now, if I click on any of the product right here, let's say for instance, I'm interested in this product, I can click on any of the product link right here and it's open up to a new page right here. Now, this is also pumping up again. Click on here to close this up. And then go ahead and click on here to close this also. And the product is not available on web. So let's go ahead and check on another product. Let's go back. You can see it's still popping up. Each time they are pumping up, just make sure that you click on the close and the like. So let's go ahead and make use of search right here. So we want to search for iPhone 15, enter. Then you can see it's still pumping up again. Just go ahead and click on here to close this pop-up. Now we have a variety of iPhone. So I'm going to simply click on this one right here. Now you see the login page still pump up. Just close that. And then here you go. You have product detail right here. Just like so. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to fix the problem of login page pump up on web browser with GoFace shopping app. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.